today's video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about back to school niches that you guys can make designs for to allow yourself to potentially make some extra money. If you're ready for this one, please do drop a like, as that would be very much appreciated. And with that said, let's jump straight into it. Hi guys, my name is Phil and welcome to the Money Game YouTube channel. For anyone that's new around here, I make print on demand content to both motivate and to give you guys tips and tricks on how you can improve your print on demand shots. If this is the first time that you're coming across this channel, please do click on that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. That way you won't miss out on any videos. We've helped a lot of people to make their first online sales through sites like Redbubble. And for anyone out there looking for extra information, I do actually have a free print on demand starter guide that's linked down in the description. However, if you are someone who's looking to turn this into more of a full-time thing, I also have a paid step-by-step guide that's linked below. Getting us straight into this, like I said, I'm going to be talking you guys through some back to school Redbubble niches you guys can actually start making designs for now. Like with most of my videos, a lot of these niches are going to be low competition to actually help you guys to have a chance of getting sales. And these are going to be niches that have next to no spam taggers. So you guys will actually have the opportunity, if you use your keywords correctly, to get on the front page. Now, for those that don't know, on Redbubble, if you actually search up the back to school niche, from what I saw, 105,000 results actually popped up. So as you can already see, it is a popular niche, but there's a lot of competition here. The aim of the video is to help you find ways to break into this niche so you can find sub niches with low competition. I mean, for example, if you look at this, there's something trending at the moment that says back to school, all as one word, and there's 2,086 results. I mean, for this video, it's still too many results. Like I said, I want you guys to have a chance of potentially getting sales. As you saw me break this niche down from over 100K designs to 2K designs, we're going to break it down from 2K designs to sub niches with even less results, even less competition. So I hope you guys are ready for that. Quickly jumping onto Redbubble, I mean, I've gone onto the back to school niche. The results have gone up. It's now on 106K. Nevertheless, like I said, this niche at the moment is in high demand. And before I show you some of the low competition niches that I found, I just want to show you how you could potentially go out there and find your own niches. Now, when you search back to school, at the top you have these tabs: first day of school, first day, welcome back, hello second grade. All of these things, for example, if I click on one, you will see will show up with a lot less results than the main keyword. Like, as you can see, this one only has 1,076 results, which is a lot better than 100K. This is also something that's scalable, but I will be going to talk a little bit more about scalable designs as we get through this video. But yeah, I just wanted to show you that you can actually just go through those tabs to see if you can find yourself any further niches if you want to make designs for more niches. As for this video, I'm going to be going through 5 different back to school low competition niches, and hopefully you guys can actually apply this information and make these designs. Jumping straight into it, we have niche 1, which is ready to crush preschool. This is coming in with only 715 results, and it's pretty much there for the taking. I mean, if you look into the niche, you can see that people are making ready to crush preschool designs that either have dinosaurs, unicorns, sharks. So you want to look to see if you can make something similar but in your own way. There's actually websites out there such as Vexels that allow you to get these sort of vectors and graphics to put onto your designs. So if you're the kind of person who has a Redbubble shop that's actually going quite well and you can afford to try out the free trial or the subscription service, check out Vexels. This is something you can jump into. I'm only seeing one kid related product here in regards of the backpack. You could argue stickers are kids related product as well, but no one on the front page of this has put this design on kids clothing. So that's something you guys can actually jump into and do straight away. And moving us on to niche 2, we have roaring into preschool. Once again, dinosaur related, because kids love dinosaurs. It has 307 results, even lower than the last one. And this is something that you guys can easily make yourself. You just need to be able to get a vector image of a dinosaur, and then once you have that image, you can actually create multiple variation of designs that have that image and different textiles to allow you to actually jump into this niche. I mean, 307 results is really low. And if you have a dinosaur on the image, you could potentially then link it into the dinosaur niche, which is the best selling niche, especially when it comes to print on demand, let alone Redbubble. And yeah, moving us on to niche number 3, we have ECA based designs, 2nd grade level unlocked. Only 114 results, which when I came across this surprised me because 1, this is very scalable, and 2, anyone can easily come across this and buy this. And if you was to jump into this niche, you can easily make a template where you can make, you know, your designs. So you could have a design that's blue, red, green, that 2nd grade level unlocked, and then with that same design you can change it to 1st grade, 3rd grade, 4th grade, 5th grade, 6th grade, and if you want to, you can scale this to the moon. And moving us on to niche number 4, we have ABCD rock. Now, for those that do know music, you know this is a play on the AC/DC logo / band, but as long as you don't have AC/DC the band anywhere in the tags, titles, or you don't relate this to AC/DC in any way, you should be okay of making your own version of ABCD and put it in the back to school niche. What you could even do is find some of the keywords I've mentioned up to now in this video that have low competition, have them in your tags because they're related to, you know, going back to school, and then have this design obviously under them as well, because the more places this will pop up in, the higher chances you will have of actually selling this, because not a lot of people will just randomly search ABCD. So you need to find a way to kind of apply already existing niches that people will search for to this niche, which potentially could be something not a lot of people search for, because no one's going to be searching, like I said, for ABCD. And there's only 120 results here as well, so there's a lot of room for you guys to come in and potentially lead this niche and maybe even rank first on the first page to allow yourself to get consistent sales from this. And then finally, moving us on to niche number 5, we have I Dig Preschool. Now this is another one that really shocked me, mainly because when I came across it, I thought to myself, how does this only have 17 results? I mean, it's a funny play on words, you know, I dig preschool. You've got a picture of a little digger there. If you wanted to, you could have a picture of a little spade. And obviously, you know, kids like things like Bob the Builder. Obviously, you can't put Bob the Builder on your design, but you can try give your design kind of a Bob the Builder feel to it and have it say I dig preschool. And yeah, this is something that could potentially sell and become a design for years to come that just sells a lot whenever it gets to that period of kids going back to school. And I know at this point of watching this video, you guys may be thinking, kids haven't even finished school yet. Why would I start making back to school designs? The main reason you want to do that is so that you're planned ahead of time. When everyone else then starts to make back to school designs, you're already here with your designs prepped, ready to go. I've seen a lot of sites actually start to advertise back to school designs, and some schools haven't even closed yet. And if they're doing that, so can you. You can start at least preparing your designs, making them, so when it does get to that hectic period, you're ready. But yeah, I'm gonna leave this video here for today. I just wanted to share some niche in a broader niche that you guys can jump in and potentially get sales in. If you enjoyed this, please do drop a like, as that would be very much appreciated. And if you made it to this point in the video, down in the comment section, comment down, I dig this video, and I'll respond to as many of you guys as possible. Anyways, always remember that everything is rigged in your favor, and manifest success.